You will definitely need to take a shower when we get back.
I know. Oh, thank you.
He doesn't know what to do with all of it.
Thank you.
It's Taz Dog. There's a big pink tongue coming out.
He's still licking it.
Wait. He's just like, whoa, that's a lot. I'm gonna take a breath.
Oh, it's all wet and so.
Yeah.
It feels good though. Mikey's turn.
Taz Dog. Hey. Come on, Taz. He's like, no.
Taz.
He's like, you guys, I just woke up. No. Stop.
He tried.
That's the Taz Dog. Hey. Check it, Taz. There he goes.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice.
Ooh. He's free, too. Look at this. Look at this guy. Oh, Taz. Oh.
Taz, you cat, you.
Taz Dog.
What a cat.
I know. He's such a cat. He's such a Taz.
He purrs when he does it, too. That's the best part. It's like right by your head.
He enjoys it. Such a Taz Dog.
See, he accepted us into the clan. Clan of the cats.
He's like, that's it.
That's it. Right, Taz?
Dude, he totally took a bath. Look up. You'll have sauce.